Hi y'all, it's me. I'm here on behalf of Rosie's Studio as part of their Creative Club design team. For those who don't know, Rosie's is an online store that sells scrapbooking supplies, dies, stamps, paper collections, everything. So I'll put the link down below. I'll also link the items that I'm going to share with you today. I'm going to be sharing you a new collection called One of a Kind. It's not new to Rosie's, but it's new for me. And this is what it looks like on the cover. And we'll just kind of flip through the papers. It's got some gold. I don't know how well those, can you see the gold there? Little gold dots in the background. You have this green pattern. These are flags and banners. Plaid, butterflies with gold. A stripe. This has little dots on it. And, sorry, these pages stick together. Diagonal stripe, some butterflies, more butterflies, more butterflies. I think this is a butterfly collection. Here you go. These are single-sided, by the way, just so you're aware. It's a pale green. It has the dots on it. I don't know how well that shows, but there's some dots on there. I can't get these pages to turn better. Black and white. Some more butterflies on this one. It's like a checker box. A blue. More butterflies. Blue. Are we back to that first page? Yes. And then it repeats. So that's the paper pad. Oops, I'm losing my sign there. That's the paper pad. And then the next thing I got were the puffy stickers, and they're really cute. My favorite one. There. I also got the sticker pack, and I'll just pull these out and we'll look through the sheets together. I haven't looked at them yet. Kind of had my stuff put away. I didn't want to see it before I was ready to use it so I wouldn't get any temptations. But here's the first page. And these are all sayings and wording. This one here, so cute. This one here. So there's 4 sheets of that. And then there's the ephemera pack. And this one you get 158 pieces. And I don't think I'm going to take them all out, but I will let you see it this way. I'll just go slow so you can see them because it's a lot of pieces to go through. Super cute collection, very good for spring. And so I'll be coming back with a project that I create with this collection. Again, it's called One of a Kind, and I will link it down below for you. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.